Hi guys, hello, welcome to Cobras. We're in session right now,
Hello, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Nadira.
and Yaya's working out instead of being here. Shame him in the comments.
Today, I'm going to teach everyone how to make cereal.
Nadira, you have no say in this, by the way.
So, first, get your bowl. Right. The bowl is very important. Without the bowl, you could also use a cup.
A cup?
If you really want to, but it's weird, you could also use a plate. But I don't see why you would. After that, you get your milk out, but you don't use the milk yet. That's very important. After you do that, get out the cereal. You put the cereal in, pour in the milk, put everything back, and eat. And that is cereal. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Wow, that was incredible.
None of this was credited. So
What do you
don't listen.
Excuse me?
I said none of this was credible.
It's
so.
all credible.
No, it's all credible.
No, it's not.
Correctly to
I
make
think you're
cereal.
just like crazy, Nadira.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry you don't eat cereal in the correct way. That's your problem.
I eat it correctly. For your information.
I'm not sure.
I eat it the right way that none of you all know how to do.
You're weird, and I just have to say that. Anyways, oh, where are your children today? It's like kind of quiet over there on your side.
You sure? Oh, well, it's because I locked them in the closet, but I told them they can eat. So
that's not like concerning at all.
No, they're fine. Like I said,
okay.
Having a great time. Anywho,
if you know where Nadira is, make sure everything's fine over there.
Guys, last week I got my first Warzone win. I felt pretty epic.
Your first what?
My first Warzone win. It's a game. Fun.
Wisdom Tooth got it. Ethan got his first Wisdom Tooth last week. My turn. So, have you guys heard of Japan? The country.
The anime country?
Wait.
No, I don't know what Japan is.
Japan.
What is Japan?
Japan is located in the other side of the world. Super Nintendo Land at Universal in Japan is a thing now. Super Nintendo World was the first ever Nintendo World in the world. See what I did there? World. The audience is dead tonight. World.
Dude, I love World.
They have a Mario Kart ride, a VR Mario Kart ride, where you can see Bowser. Right, Bowser? No, browser's like internet. Bowser right next to you while you're racing other people. Isn't that like
that
insane?
Sounds like fun.
Real life Mario Kart.
That sounds so cool. We're never going to be able to do it, but that sounds amazing.
Yes, we will. Who says Miss Torres organize a field trip to Japan?
No, Angel.
Yes, I'd love to go to Japan.
Miss Torres, what? Angel to pay for it, right?
No. If you guys would like to donate $5,000 to me so I can go to Japan, that'd be great.
Both of us.
What comes first, the jelly or the peanut? And the peanut butter.
The peanut butter.
Which comes first?
The peanut butter, because the jelly's more like liquidy.
What?
Well, it depends. How do you guys get the squeezed jelly or the jelly that you take out like the peanut butter?
I don't like peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
All right, Angel.
What?
You're so what?
So.
How do you kick someone out Zoom? Where's the kick?
Well, good
Where's
thing I'm a host too.
Kick participant.
Milk first.
Where's that button?
It's like what kind of pairing is that? I'm probably gonna get a lot of comeback from this, but it's like
you get enough comeback from your
everyone's
milk.
Unfollowing you as we speak.
I don't have any social media. What are you talking about?
Everyone's
where are they unfollowing me from? But yeah, what is explain to me what is the goodness out of peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
First the peanut butter, then the jelly, and then the combination, and then the bread. Say anything else. No, I'm interested. What else don't you like, Nadira? Please.
I don't like jelly. It's very, very sweet.
Okay.
I don't like sweet things, especially donuts.
You don't like donuts?
I don't like donuts. Donuts are just they're.
Do you like cake? Donuts are just like
I think we should
bagels.
re-audition. If you guys are interested in auditioning for the podcast club, you can replace Nadira. If you like donuts, peanut butter and jelly, And if you eat your cereal the right way, please audition, and we'll
What's
replace
wrong with
Nadira.
not eating donuts? I
Right.
like the plain donuts. The plain donuts are where it's
Cool.
at. Plain donuts
With nothing on it.
with nothing on it.
No,
You live
It's
a
not
sad
safe.
life, Nadira.
Why would I put anything on it? The
Sad.
donut part is the best part. You don't need anything else.
the
with it.
frosting is
The
the best
dough's
part.
boring without frosting or
Well,
filling.
You need
What about
frosting or
a glazed
filling.
donut? Do you like glazed
Ew,
donuts?
that's worser.
What?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I can't stand glazed
Worser?
donut. It's like
That's
it goes all over
worser.
your hands, and it's like it's just
The
bad.
first is worser.
Nadira, you're making no
Anywho.
sense. You're angering the gods.
Anywho, just like
Of Dunkin'
Ethan said,
Donuts.
it's our opinion. So
You cannot defend yourself any longer. You don't like donuts.
I don't like donuts. So
Are you like 70?
no, I just
Actually,
like
that's a
the
lie.
best thing.
70-year-olds love donuts, right? Exactly. Nadira, you're like, I don't know.
I don't
I don't even
like
know what age you
donuts.
are.
I've never tried peanut butter and jelly, but I like peanut butter.
So you never tried peanut butter and jelly, but you don't like it.
No, exactly.
You can't just say you don't like something without trying it.
But like, did you like? I don't know if you see this.
What kind of mentality?
Elementary, but
What kind of
did
mentality?
you see those? Did you see those peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that were in like a circle in a bag that they like gave at lunchtime?
Yes, Uncrustables.
Those
They're
were the
amazing.
classic.
Have sugar, but they're great.
And they have sugar. Miss Torres
It's
said
the
those are
lying
nasty.
for me.
Exactly.
But she likes peanut butter and jelly.
No.
No one's on your side, Nadira. I'm
Well,
sorry.
I'm on my own side, so
Sorry it comes to this.
it's if I don't like peanut butter and I don't like jelly, why in the world would it taste good if I ate them together?
Because
And
sometimes a miracle blend makes everything good.
Well, that can be someone else's.
Can you just
miracle
trust
blend.
science? Just trust science.
Why you gotta bring science into this out of everything else?
I bet half of our audience left because you said you didn't like peanut butter and jelly.
Yogurt
Thank
and
you.
muffins taste good.
Science. Peanut butter and
put-
jelly equals science.
You can
Have you put yogurt and muffins together? Thank you.
Pineapple on pizza.
Why are we starting this again?
Have you guys tried bananas and peanut butter? Those go together
That's-
great.
That's
Yogurt on muffins. That's kind of
Yogurt.
gross.
It tastes
Exactly.
good. But I've
Fries-
never
fries
tried
and
fries
ice
and ice
Have
cream.
you guys tried?
I've heard
Have
of
you guys
fries and
tried graham
milkshakes.
cracker? Graham cracker and string cheese together.
I don't like cheese.
Well, it tastes good. Trust me. Fries and ice cream. Milkshake.
Wait,
I've never put it in a milkshake.
is that what
Ketchup with ranch sounds disgusting. I don't remember
Do
the
you
last
like
time I had
ranch,
ranch. I
Angel?
don't like ranch.
you don't like ranch, Angel?
People who eat ranch with pizza disgust me. That sounds disgusting.
Exactly.
And you're ruining
It's
pizza.
not.
But pineapple on
It's
pizza is
very
good.
Yes.
Ranch with pizza is gross.
I don't even like ranch.
Then he asked me a
You already
question,
have
and he said, like,
you you already have sauce in the pizza as well as cheese as well as toppings. Why would you want to add more to that? What did Miss Torres send on?
I'm ready to go. This is a
Science
lot of
not,
words.
Not compatible with my taste buds. Science is not
This
compatible.
this
with
is
my
a
taste
lot of words, and I can't read. So yeah.
Ethan, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, the thing she just said. I'm a little slow. Nadira, what if we can get like gourmet peanut butter and jelly? Will you eat it?
If it's gourmet, then yeah, I will eat it. Out of your
Okay,
pocket.
I'll just lie to you and get a Publix one from the freezer and you'll eat it.
I'm fine with that. Alright. And then I will feed it to the neighborhood dog.
Okay.
Alrighty, anywho, I'm gonna mute myself and you guys are gonna talk.
Oh, okay. I want. Wait, no, that wasn't good. I want. Okay. Welcome, guys, to the Angel Podcast. In this podcast, we're going to talk about multiple topics. Here, we're going to talk about recipes. We're going to talk about cooking, and then at night it's going to be the Tonight Show with Angel. So be sure to stay tuned. And right now, we're going to start with my first guest star, Miss Torres.
Lonely.
Oh, they're back.
Anyway, back on topic because this will never be an Angel show. I can see the
Excuse
ratings
you.
go down. Okay, Ethan.
I can see the ratings going down as soon as you said you don't eat peanut butter and jelly.
I want to talk to Ethan.
Ethan.
Person
Ethan.
back in area.
Ethan.
Oh no.
Owa. Ethan, I heard you have some news for us.
Yes, actually, I do.
Oh, I thought you said it. Oh, well, I'm on the
A
wrong
Here we go. He's announcing
Cough.
Nadira's replacement.
I will be Nadir's replacement. You're supposed to clap.
Ethan, you're supposed to be
No, I'm not clapping for that.
Can you just be on my
Nadira's replacement has to be another person. It can't be you.
Can it be you?
Yes.
what?
Nadira's replacement is Angel.
Ew.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
And
Nadira,
other
sorry.
news,
You have to go.
I would rather have a broccoli be my replacement than Angel.
Hitman 3 has released, but it looks the exact same as Hitman 2. Actually, Hitman 2 looks better.
Can you do a little more explaining? What is Hitman 3?
Oh, it's a game.
Wow.
It's
Thank you.
It's not a very special game. It's actually not. Well, in my opinion, it's not that fun. But, people have other likes. Also, WandaVision is out. I've watched that on Disney Plus, of course.
What is your review of WandaVision?
What
It's
is that?
really good. I really like it. Like, a lot.
What is it about?
WandaVision. I'll try to explain it to the best of my ability. You've all watched Endgame, right?
No.
Oh. What about Avengers Endgame?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Oh.
That's the same exact thing.
I don't know the difference.
Have you guys watched WandaVision?
No.
Have you watched TV?
Yes.
There we go. It's WandaVision.
Wait,
I
Alright.
am very excited for that multiverse Spider-Man that's happening. Oh, frick, I dropped hand signs.
All the Spider-Mans getting together. I did watch all Spider-Man movies, but not
Oh,
Marvel
that's good.
I watched one.
because my brain hurts.
Who's the best Spider? I don't know. I just finished playing, like 2 weeks ago, finished playing Spider-Man Miles Morales. Really good game.
Either Miles Morales or...
I like Spider-Man 2099. His seems cool.
Who
I
is the
play
best
Miles,
Spider-Man?
but
Oh,
No,
the actors.
Well, I don't remember the second guy. It was between...
How do you not know all the Spider-Men?
that was his name. Oh, his name's Tom Holland? I legitimately thought it was Peter.
What?
I legitimately thought his name was Peter.
That's what Spider-Man is named. Peter. Right?
I forgot. The only one I remembered was Tobey Maguire.
How do you forget Andrew Garfield?
I knew what he looked like. I forgot what Tom Holland looked like. I forgot everything about him.
How do you forget? He's been in every single movie for the past, 2 years.
My memory is bad.
Who's the best Spider-Man?
I don't have a personal favorite. I do indeed. Stanley said Tom Holland was the best movie Parker. Yeah, I do like the new one the most.
I like the new one's relationship with Iron Man.
Yeah.
Wow, we finally agreed on one thing.
Wow.
That's rare. Nadira, watch Nadira ruin it. Nadira, who's the best Spider-Man?
Nadira's gonna say Andrew Garfield.
Nadira's gonna ruin the chain.
I don't watch
Settle it.
I don't watch. I like the only Spider-Man I know, actor that's really good is Tom Holland.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the only one.
All right. We all agreed on something.
Well, that's a first.
That's good job, Nadira. You're safe this round. The past couple rounds, you've lost. Miss Torres said Tobey Maguire.
What's that? Yeah, I'm gonna get backlash for that. Well, that's it for this episode.
Is it?
Yes. Yes,
Maybe.
it is.
Comment down below if you think Nadira's wrong. Just in general. And then also comment down below
cereal.
who's the better Spider-Man. And if anyone agrees with Miss Torres, it's embarrassing.
I wore a Spider-Man costume once in 4th grade.
Is to
Makes me
me,
the best.
and all the comments are for me in support. So anybody who is commenting, it's for me. That's the secret message behind everybody's. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now.
I have a Spider-Man shirt. I'm the best Spider-Man.
I am Spider-Man.
I have a chubby.
I have 4.
All right. Thank you for listening to Cobras in Session. And if you're Tom Holland listening to this, visit us.
Yes.
Thank you. But not Miss Torres's room. She doesn't like you.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye-bye. Toodaloo.